What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips, and today, you guessed it, I'm at Goodwill. Let's go check it out. Alright, just getting out of my truck here. Well, my wife's Honda. There's a lady parked next to me that doesn't know how to park. She took up like 3 spaces. Guess she thinks she's the queen of the road. Oh well, it's what it is. She's just sitting there. I guess she's texting or what the hell she's doing. Anyways, let's get into the Goodwill video. Still orange tag is. Good morning. Orange tag is still 75% off. Oh look. Hello Kitty painting. That's damaged on the top corner. I picked it up. $2. It's got some TVs. Recorder still here. Thank goodness it is not packed in here today. Lately when I've been coming in, it's been ridiculously packed. And it's almost impossible to walk around and look. So with it being a little slower, I appreciate it. Alright, here we are in the back. Some more drawers. $25. There's some golf clubs. I gotta research those golf clubs. Harry Tornado does really good with golf clubs, but he knows his golf clubs. He plays golf. Harry Tornado is another YouTuber. Check out his channel if you can. He's a reseller. He buys and resells for a living. Kind of like what I do, but I guess he's better at it. Or he finds really good stuff. It's very dry here in my area. Our Goodwill is usually really expensive with stuff. So, checking out the toys here. The plushies. Check out my previous videos, guys. I hit up Goodwill almost daily. I'm trying to upload videos at 11 o'clock every day. So, that's what I try to do. Except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is a free day. I might do videos on Saturday and Sunday. I might not. That's my time to spend with my family, but I still would, if I can, I'll do some videos. So far I don't see anything new. Looks like the same old. Let's go through this plushie aisle again. Here's another plush aisle. I don't see anything. There's a little dinosaur. He's $2. It's a Kohl's one. Okay, no. You guys tell me, is that a poop emoji? Or is that ice cream? To me it looks like a poop emoji. Here's a little bag full of little bears. I gotta pay $6 for that. Alright. Here's another batch of plush. I think that's it. Just the other side of plush. We'll head over to the media section to see if we can find anything on the media section. I don't see anything as far as plush. I think this is gonna be, oh, that's a Disney store. How much is he? $3. It's a little stained stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna leave him behind. Got enough plush. There's like 3 bags of plush. Here's some nice shoes. $20. No wonder they're still there. Alright, I think we're pretty much, like I said, done with the plush. There's a turkey with some weird legs. Okay, they usually don't have a lot of hard toys. I don't know if they don't put them up for sale here or they just don't get any. Let's see what's this. Try to reach over. Magic vehicles, follow the line. That looks interesting. It's $1.99. Looks new. I'm gonna hold on to that. Yeah, let's go over to the media section. Here's the puzzles and stuff. I always try to look through these, but I never find anything as far as puzzles. They're always used. And last time I bought one, there was missing pieces. So I don't feel like messing with that. Alright. Damn, that robot is still here. If it wasn't 40 bucks, I'd pick it up. Is that old or new? So, alright, let's hit the media. Here we are at media. Do we see any games? I think they put up a little bit more VHS, or they fixed them up, I'm not sure. Same old games. Always gotta check though. Never know. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this little trip here. If I buy anything, I'll let you guys know. I'm probably gonna take this. I'll just check the comps on it. We'll see what we pick up.